Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model, this 3D origami little vase. It is a very small model and I hope you enjoy this. Let's start. For this model we will use two colors. We will use light brown and a dark brown. These are small 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. The dimension of this rectangle of paper is 3.6 by 2.7 centimeters. Next I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. I will fold first in two, then another one like this. Now we bring this portion of the paper to the middle line there. We repeat on the other side. It is very important to obtain a good quality piece that the difference, the gap between these two parts of the paper, it is very small. Now on the other side we fold these small corners and next we bring this part like this. We have a small triangle and now I use 6 large pieces connected together in a row. I put these edges in the pockets, push, and with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. We will start with dark brown pieces and in the beginning I will show you how I glue the pieces. I use a paper solid stick glue. This you can find in every office supply store. I put some glue inside the pocket and then connect with other pieces. I glue every piece and I recommend you to do the same. And we will make a small 3D origami base and we connect pieces like this. We go with 3 rows in the same time. Now we have 5 in the first row, 4 in the second and 3 in the third. Continuing this until you have 10 pieces in the first row, 9 pieces in the second and 8 pieces in the third. Next I complete all these rows. I will repeat 10 pieces in the first row, 9 pieces in the second and 8 in the third. And now we close the circle and we complete the second row with 1 piece and the third row with 2 pieces like this. And we have a small 3D origami open base. Next we put some inverted pieces and inverted means that the round part of the piece will be inside, not like this, will be on the other side here. Then we let 2 free holes and then we put another one. And we repeat. We will have only 5 inverted pieces. This will give some stability of our model. Next, we put one light brown piece and one dark, and we repeat this until we finish the row, like this. Next, we will put another row like this, but we will go on the other direction, like this. We put one dark here, then one light, and we repeat. Then again, but we will go on the other direction. Sorry, one dark, one light. Do not forget to glue. We will keep putting pieces like this until we will have 17 rows. Complete all these rows. Next we will put an entire light brown row like this. I finish all 17 rows here. Next we will increase the number of the pieces in a row. Now we have 10 pieces and we increase to 20. And we push a little bit like this to make some space here. And we put one piece between the 2 pieces from the previous row, and then we put 2 pieces above, like this. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Increase and 2 pieces above. Complete the entire row after this pattern. I complete the entire row, and now we have 20 pieces in the last row. Next we put 2 dark pieces and 2 light, like this. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Complete the row. Next we put one dark brown here above the two from the previous row, and then two light pieces like this, then another two above, and at last one. We repeat here, one dark brown, and we repeat exactly the same. We will have two edges free between these parts. Complete the entire part. I finish all these, and it is a very nice little vase, let's say vase. And next I will make this lower part for the stability. We start with two light brown pieces, and we put one dark above, like this, and we repeat. We go with 3 rows, one light brown, one dark, and another one light. And we go like this until we have 19 light brown pieces in the first row, 18 dark brown pieces in the second, and 17 light brown pieces in the third row. Complete all these rows. I finish all these rows. I repeat 19 pieces in the first row, 18 pieces in the second, and 17 pieces in the third. Now we push a little like this to be able to connect and close the circle. And now we complete the second row with a dark brown piece, and then we put two light brown like this. Do not forget to use glue. Next we will push a little bit like this, and now we will glue this part here, like this. Glue very well. I glue these two parts together. I use a glue who dries very fast, and our little flower vase is finished. Next we will put a rose inside, and we obtain a very nice gift for someone. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It is a little model, and it very nice with the flower. If you like my videos, please subscribe, rate, make comments, and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.